watching New York's very own Pix 11 Sports Nation.
So guys, yes, the fans are back, and right now it's all about safety. And the measures being taken for safety, they go well beyond what we've ever seen before. Joe Masseri has more.
In 2020, the pandemic silenced the roar of the crowd. But as fans return to stadiums and arenas, there's a new buzz in the air. Drones hovering high above the courts, fields, and seats to keep the spread of the virus down.
An average stadium for us takes a few hours, right, for two people to do the entire stadium.
Cameron Chell is the CEO of Draganfly Inc., the oldest commercial drone manufacturer in North America. The company is in talks with all of the professional sports organizations and is already using its drones at colleges and universities to help sanitize stadiums. Each drone is equipped with an organic spray that not only disinfects, but prevents pathogens from growing on surfaces for up to 24 hours after the cleaning.
You've now ensured or done your best to ensure that your fans and your staff and the people that are coming into that facility aren't going to be amongst an event that could become a super spreader event.
Draganfly is one of several drone companies around the country that has been used to disinfect sporting venues. The quadcopters can help speed up the cleaning process, cut down costs, and limit exposure and risk for stadium staff, which is why Chell is confident the drones will still be buzzing around stadiums long after people are vaccinated and we're past the pandemic.
Things like sanitization that are unintrusive and can happen before and after games and the fans just don't even know what's happening. But that level of protection, I think both from a consumer and from a regulatory standpoint, this is the new norm.
A new norm we'll all sign up for if it can help us get back to the old norm, cheering on our teams safely in person. Joe Masseri reporting.
A new normal. I think the technical term for that is gnarly. Coming up next, it's your play of the week. You guys have any guesses? We'll be right back.